Hi guys, this is AG Mobile Tech. The Canon EOS-1D Mark II price tag at £1,599.99 €1,999.99 has been announced at Photokina 2014, adding many features found in the flagship EOS-1D X. The Canon EOS-1D Mark II is Canon's new flagship APS-C format DSLR, and is a replacement for the Canon 7D, which was launched back in 2009. Among the Canon 7D Mark II key features are a new 20.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, 10 fps continuous shooting at full resolution, and a new 65-point cross-type AF system. Though this new Canon camera incorporates a 20.2-megapixel sensor like the Canon EOS-1D, our testing team says this is a brand new sensor for the 7D Mark II, and micro lenses have also been redesigned for improved efficiency. Also on board the Canon EOS-1D Mark II is Canon's dual Digix 6 processing engines, which help it achieve its 10 frames per second maximum burst rate for 31 RAW files, or until the memory card is full with JPEGs. The Canon EOS-1D Mark II maximum continuous shooting rate can be set to 10 fps in high mode, 9 fps in low, and 4 fps in silent shooting mode. The Canon EOS-1D Mark II also offers a wider sensitivity range than its predecessor, with its native ISO running from 100-16000, the highest non-expansion setting in any Canon DSLR, which is expandable up to ISO 51200. Building on the EOS-1D's reputable AF system, this EOS-1D replacement offers 65 AF points, all of which are sensitive cross-type. What's more, the 7D Mark II's central focus point is a dual cross-type at f2.8 and sensitive down to f8. Canon also says this central point can function down to -3 ev. Canon has also incorporated technologies from its flagship full-frame camera, the EOS-1 and the Canon EOS-5D Mark III. From these siblings, the Canon EOS-1D Mark II inherits the same EOS ITR-AF and Servo AF3 autofocus technologies, which offer a selection of 6 different shooting situations, to which you can tailor your AF system to focus on moving subjects. The EOS-1D Mark II AF system allows you full control over sensitivity and subject tracking, while a new dedicated AF mode selection lever lets you instantly switch between AF area modes, without taking your eye from the viewfinder. The Canon EOS-1D Mark II is also kitted out with a new 150,000 pixel RGB plus infrared IR metering sensor, the first in an EOS camera to include infrared and flickering light sensitivity, and is divided into 252 zones. As our testing team notes, this is even better than the EOS-1D X, which offers a 100,000 pixel sensor. Canon says this flicker detection feature ensures images are only shot when light levels are at their brightest level, intelligently analyzing the light source and detecting flickering light the eye can't see. And borrowing from the Canon 7D, the EOS-1D Mark II's 20.2 Northern Mariana Islands sensor has pixels that can be used for phase detection, focusing dual pixel AF in live view and video mode. Canon EOS-1D Mark II video recording. Canon EOS-1D Mark II video recording, and another first for Canon EOS cameras. Both movie servo AF speed and tracking sensitivity can be customized, giving you control for pull focus effects and transitions between subjects. The Canon EOS-1D Mark II also records video in full HD quality and MOV or MP4 format, with a choice of frame rates from 24p to 60p 50p in PAL. To transfer footage, the new Canon camera has an HDMI port that provides a clean, uncompressed 422 feed to external recorders, and there are ports to connect a microphone and a headphone for better sound recording and monitoring. There's also a USB 3.0 port for faster image transfer, and a bracket ships with the camera to hold the cable securely in place when shooting with the 7D Mark II tethered to a computer. Other key features of the Canon EOS-1D Mark II include a magnesium alloy body, a 200,000 cycle shutter life, dual memory card slots that accept SD, SDHC, SDXC in one and the other is compatible with compact flash cards, a viewfinder that provides approximately 100% coverage, an electronic level inside the viewfinder that works independently of the AF buttons, an intervalometer for shooting time-lapse sequences, a built-in compass and GPS technology, and a 3-in-1,040,000 LCD screen on the back of the new Canon camera. Canon EOS-1D Mark II price and release date. The Canon EOS-1D Mark II price tag will be €1,599.99, €1,999.99 for the body only, with the release date set for November 2014.